Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your Love Bite. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Capricorn. And of course, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And newbies, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh my God, Capricorn, what's happening here? Okay. Bottom of my deck, I have the Nine of Wands in reverse. Somebody is exhausted themselves, I think. Somebody is really exhausted themselves. They've fallen in love. Look at this. Starting with the Two of Cups. Somebody knows that this is my person. Heart of hearts, all they want to do is rush towards their partner and tell them that, hey, I love you and you are my one. But look at the stress and worry, not being able to sleep at night, worrying, stress. How do I go forward? How do I go forward? Feeling, oh my God, is it already over? Have I damaged it too much? How do I bring back justice into this connection? Because I guess you guys have either fought or there's been an argument or there's some conflict between the two of you. Somebody does want to rebuild though, okay? The Tower card is in reverse. They want to rebuild because they've made their decision. They've made their choice. So I could be wrong. Of course, I'm going to clarify all these cards, Capricorn. This is just my first feeling when I saw the cards. So let me start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the clarification. Okay? So Capricorn and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Capricorn and their person. And Cappies, if you need a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Capricorn and their person. Okay. And a couple more from here and we're good to go. Capricorn and their person. Okay, we're ready, Spirit. The first card here says, it drives me crazy how you manage to read my mind and hijack my thoughts. How do you know everything? I can't hide anything from you. I get triggered when I'm angry or have decided to walk away from our connection, and then the universe decides to bombard me with your name, and your higher self stalks me with musical messages from you. I get so annoyed with your constant need to control everything and denial of your triggers. The person just said, when I get triggered, I get angry, right? This is the other person, I think, saying, I get so annoyed with your constant need to control everything and denial of your triggers. If I upset you, I want you to be honest with me. But you use silence as manipulation to gain control. We should be able to talk it out like grown-ups. Next card. Your love makes my day, my week, my month, my year, and my life. I wish that you were here or I was there. I wish that we were together anywhere. I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life because you are my world and I want everyone to know. Let's talk and clear the air. Somebody does want to talk and clear the air, but this situation is so messy. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. Alright, so Capricorn, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. And let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first, okay? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Optimism. Absolutely, Capricorn. I don't know whether this is you, this is your person, but if you're feeling like this, right? Can't get up, exhausted, tired, I don't think I can fix this, I want to charge towards my person, but I don't think I can. Well, there is a need for being optimistic. Okay? If you don't try, you won't know. That's the message for you. And now let's start your reading. So, Spirit, what about this Two of Cups? What's this Two of Cups? Somebody is holding on very tight to this connection. No, 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 no. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Somebody feels they will not get a second chance. They feel their partner, who they love dearly, is holding back from them. And in return, now they are holding back from their partner. They feel there is no chance I'll get a second chance here. Judgment card in reverse. I've been judged. There is no second chances for me because in the past, maybe they only have been selfish or self-centered or not taken action. Maybe they've been immature, have said some things which they shouldn't have. Maybe they were third parties. Something broke down. But heart of hearts, whoever this King of Wands is, knows, even though things are not working out between us or we are arguing all the time, this is my Empress. This is my person. This is the queen above all queens. And the minute they think of all the past conflict and them recognizing now that this is my Empress, they go into stress, worry, sleepless nights. Yeah, all they want is if I could only erase the past. If I could, we could both just dump everything, whatever has happened between us, if we could just end that and, make our wishes come true. They have this one wish that if they could only erase the past. So the stress and worry is about that. They see their person as the Empress, as their star, as their wish fulfillment. So what's the star? Chariot, Spirit? Chariot. Chariot. Now they feel whatever games they were playing, they became a loser, right? None of those games really worked. Maybe their person is moving forward or they see them as moving forward, not stressed out about them at all, and not even, showing them that they're interested. That's making them feel even worse. Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords. Yeah, they feel they've been dumped now because of their behavior in the past or breadcrumbing or third parties. They feel they've been dropped. And that is making them feel like this. They feel this Empress has dropped them. Won't be interested. One more for the Ten of Swords. Yeah, they desperately are waiting. They do want to try again, but they can't get themselves to send that message or speak their mind, or just guarding themselves, holding themselves back because they don't know how to say it or what to say because too much damage. The situation is messy, as the card said. So what's the Justice card now, Spirit? Justice. They feel that they are the cause of this imbalance, and they feel maybe too much silence has happened between the two of you. Now they're enlightened to the fact of what they needed to do, what they did, and why that person pulled back their energy. Now they're recognizing why that person walked away from them. Right? They fear that their partner, this Empress, may have brought justice to their own life now, maybe off on a brand new journey or left them behind and done right for themselves. Maybe after this fight or this conflict. Five of Wands, yes. This person in their mind feels that they created an environment which was very toxic. Okay, and when they see it from this Empress's point of view, they feel no wonder this Empress has kind of released this situation or me, the toxicity that I brought to this connection, probably because of third party situations. I don't know. There was competition, there was strife, there was arguments, whatever there was, they feel that, I've been released. Maybe not. This Empress maybe is still waiting, but this is what is going on in their mind. It's like self-loathing kind of a situation. So now, Spirit, Tower in reverse. Tower in reverse. Two of Swords in reverse. Two of Swords in reverse, clarified by the Two of Swords in reverse. So somebody is making a very strong decision. What is that decision, Spirit? Okay, one more. One more. They want to have this communication. They want to this person could be drinking, this person could be very sad, very lonely, feeling very isolated, feeling none of their wishes are coming true. They feel they have lost the person of their dreams, the Queen of Pentacles. Maybe they didn't see this Queen of Pentacles as having the potential maybe at that point, but now they feel this was my partner, this was my forever person, and I disrespected my empress, and they want to rebuild. They're making a decision, a very firm decision, to maybe come forward sooner or later, to come and have that communication so they can rebuild. They know it's their fault. When a tower comes in reverse in a person's reading, it's almost like this person saying, yes, I acknowledge, I know, I'm the cause of this foundation being disrupted between us, and I want to clear the air. I think one card came out as well to say, hey, let's talk and clear the air. So, Two of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Two of Swords in reverse. They're not sure that if they do open up completely, they tell this Empress what's in their heart. Maybe there's so much of stagnancy that's happened, right? So they feel, if I do open up and say, hey, can we start from scratch, they are not sure whether they will be accepted, right? They feel, because that's the way maybe they treated this Empress in the past. So they're really not sure that they can resurrect everything back to a very solid ground. But they do want to get out of their stress and tension, and the only way to do it is to come and talk and clear the air. So yes, they want these boundaries to be released now, or this guard to go down. They do desperately want a rebirth of this connection, Capricorn. This could be you, right? Or this could be a cross watcher. They've made that decision, and that decision is that they want to return. Okay? So, well, that's what I have for you, Capricorn. I hope it worked for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.